Hello everyone. On this video, I want to show you guys exactly two same page, both on Bricks and on the Elementor. This is Elementor page. Let's refresh. And this is the Bricks page. Okay. Just default text. And three paragraph here, just same thing. Okay. And I just want to show you guys how the DOM structure is generated. I mean, some of you might say, oh, why it is important? Nobody see DOM. Yeah, it is not important. Why it is important? Well, it is important because first, extra DOM means like extra data need to be doled on it. Like if this page was really long, I mean, it is like nothing in this page right now, but imagine this page was very long. It was a home page, landing page, something, and you made it with Elementor. And every DOM element has extra 2 or 3 DOM, okay? Extra 2 or 3 div, whatever. Imagine how much line will be added. Imagine how much bigger your DOM and your page will become. With the bricks, let me show you details a little bit. Okay. As you can see, we have one extra div here. And for the bricks, there is no extra. Because we made it container to container, container, 1, 2. Yeah, yeah, just one. Don't count that. This is page. Don't count that. Just one extra. And for bricks, we have section. I built with section all the time. I like it. You need it, like for backgrounds and stuff. You do need it time to time. But for bricks, there is no extra. Whatever you see on the structure, you see it on the side here, on the DOMs. For the paragraph, there is one div. I mean, it should have one div anyway, because there might be multiple paragraphs. They need to be wrapped in one div. That's normal. That's okay. As you can see, like even with this simple, very simple example, Elementor has like lots of, look at that. We don't have any of the div on the bricks. Just the div, just the DOM you need it. That's what bricks renders. But for Elementor, like one div extra, 2 div extra, it is very common. Very common. I mean, yeah, and it is a problem. It makes the page a little bit bigger. If you have like slow internet and slow device, CPU on your device, it renders slow. It creates lots of problems. It creates some accessibility problems. And yeah, I mean, Elementor trying its best to make the Elementor performance update, making performance a little bit better, but it's not happening. Like, it's not happening, guys. It's not happening. By the way, this is the latest Elementor. Let me show you. This is the latest Elementor. So yeah. I just wanted to see, I want to check I just want to check, because they are saying performance and accessibility enhancements. Okay, good. We love that. Good. By the way, refresh CSS. CSS not loading correctly. Anyway. Performance faster. First byte 3%, 5% faster. DOM optimization. No. This is, they need to make lots of work. That's the problem. They are saying like we made it better. No, you didn't. You didn't. You didn't do shit on DOMs. What did you do? Like, show it in an example. Make a video. Make a comparison. Old one, new one. Just Flexbox containers now produce 31% less code. Yeah. So they are saying, I mean, we made optimizations, and this is the optimization. Yeah. And even with our latest updates, we are not even close to the bricks. This is the translation, guys. Okay. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to check. I mean, I wasn't going to make a video for this. I just want to check for myself. I mean, I have lots of old Elementor sites. Sometimes I update them. That's why I need to check this stuff. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.